got it for my birthday. It's a Fit Park 4. Fit original grips. Fit Fast. 2 Fit Fast. Some pegs. Fit Park 4. 3-piece cranks. 25-piece sprocket. And plastic pedals. Fit plastic pedals. Fit plastic seat. Pivotal. And that's it. It's the DAC Signature bike with this dropwood stem and some fit forks and really nice rims, Alienation rims, and a U-brake lever, Odyssey, nice brake, and U-brake, and that's the stem. Yeah, it's a really nice bike, really light. It's like 24 pounds. Yeah, that's my bike.